Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Grasso's math lesson on section 5.5, solving inequalities using absolute value. So, step number 1, get the absolute value alone. Step number 2, make two inequalities, one straight through, one opposite with a flip sign. Number 3, solve. And then you want to check 3 times, that's our last step. So let me go through an example that'll demonstrate that. Absolute value of x plus 2 is less than 11. Straight through, we get m is less than 9. Opposite, with the little flip on the sign here, look at that, m plus 2 is greater than 11. You solve, you get m is greater than or equal to negative 13. Now, if I move my little head here, you can't really see it, but the graph up here will demonstrate how if you checked a number to the left, and I'll throw in a line right here. If we were to graph this, and we wrote negative 13 and 9, open circle, up and to the right and down to the right. If we checked a number over here, we would have to check negative 14 back into the original equation. And we would find that that would end up being negative 12. Absolute value of negative 12 is 12. 12 is less than 11 is false. All of these are false. Just by checking one number over here, all of them are false. The middle, we're going to test is 0. So we're going to change this number over here to a 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Absolute value of 2 is less than 11. 2 is less than 11. This one is true. And then the numbers to the right, let's just pick number 10. Plug a 10 in here. 10 plus 2 is 12. Absolute value of that is 12. 12 is less than 11. That's also false. That means we graphed it correctly, and all the numbers in the middle work. Thank you.